Today we'll have a look at how to customize the name of a generic section. So when I would like to create a round bar, I would like to create this as bar 16, no problem. As round 16, still no issue, but in my workplace they call these kind of components rod. So I check rod 16, not available. What can we do about this? Extras, general. We look at members, profile types. Let's look for that bar. That is this specific line. Copy it perhaps all the way down the bottom. We call this thing rod. Save it to our settings. So after restart, I'll be able to create my rod 16 and I can continue the way I would like to work.